I already decided, bitch, that I don't need no sidekick. Pull up profile lit, pull up pro style, bitch. Every time I see her, she look like she ain't gon' never forget. Pull up with a torch lit, these rappers can't afford shit. Boy, pull off, you rented it, we laugh until we finish, bitch. Hoes getting hip to it, they noticing your flaws and shit. Pull up to my crib, whole pad fully furnished, bitch. And I got some extra shit.
What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna be checking out a check engine light issue on my TC here. So got a p0012. So I looked that up a couple of days before. I'm gonna be switching out that way I can get my correct part control and everything. But basically, the p0012, whatever you want to call it, has something to do with because that could VVT, you know, cause the camshaft check engine light, and there's a few things that could cause this as far as the camshaft goes. Dirty oil as well, and I did a seafoam oil treatment in here, my last oil change. So the oil is pretty black from what I've saw on some forums when I was doing the research of the code for my car. People were saying about the VVTi solenoid to change that out first, because that could be, you know, going out. And there's also a small little filter that's a part of the oil control valve that I'll be switching out as well. So hopefully I can show you guys how to do it. There's not really many videos on YouTube, so figured I'd give it a shot. Make a quick AutoZone run. Hey, AutoZone busy today. I mean, it is 57 degrees out, so everybody want to work. All acquired. Let's go. Static life. See what we can do. Alright, first things first, I need to get that valve cover off. Then gotta take the bumper off so I can jack it up. So let's get it. So of course, like I said, gotta get the valve cover off. So be a 10 mil. Alright, now let's get this bumper off. undo my harness for the fog lights.
I wanna know if I could be the one. Would you wanna wake up next to me? Next to me, next to me, next to me, next to me. Wake up next to me, next to me, next to me, next to me, next to me.
Alright, so this right here, whoops, right here is the VVT solenoid. Hopefully it's not too much of a pain to pull out. And I've got to locate the filter, which I believe is back there as well, but towards the bottom, so I got to jack the car up. But I need to go ahead and drain the oil out anyway, so I'm about to do that. See, the oil was pretty dirty, pretty black. And yes, I did do an oil change before I did that seafoam treatment. So this is all of the gunk, I guess you could say, that it did from its cleaning. So yeah. Alright, a little update, guys. Finally got this stupid thing out. It was a pain in the butt, but it's finally out. This is the old one. There's the new one getting ready to go in. But it was a pain because it's a tight little fit, but it goes right there. So you need a 10mm and a couple of extensions, and definitely need a swivel joint, U-joint, whatever you want to call it. And the best way to get to it is by going up under the wheel well. Oh, thanks Toyota for making it so complicated to get that bad boy out. Yep, let's get this new one in now. I'll update y'all in a bit. Alright, here's the update. New one is in. So yeah, like I said, it was a pain in the butt. Of course, this is the clip. You gotta just push it in. And now this is fully done. But yeah. Word of advice is it's probably best to have 2 people. I did do it by myself, but it was a pain because, as you can see, there's not much room to work here. Of course, to get your hands in, anyway, to get to the small little 10mm, it looks exactly like the rest of these across the valve cover. These little bolts here, it's right up under. Let me just show you on the old one. So it sits in the block like that, and as you can see, it's right up under the bottom. So, and the bolt isn't but this big, so that's why I say it's best to have 2 people to do it. That way one can be up here, up top, and then the other can be on the bottom to help guide your sockets or whatnot, as well as help you with pulling the bolt out and putting it back in, because unfortunately I did end up dropping the one that went to it, but it's down on the bottom somewhere. Hopefully it's not gonna mess anything up, but like I said, it's just this small, so I just took another one from here and put it there. The one that was here is for this little harness, so it's nothing major. it ain't really gonna move around. So, but yeah, I'll update you guys in a bit once I get everything else put back on and the oil put in. I do apologize that there wasn't a how-to step-by-step, but it's the first time that I've ever, done something as far as this, and I got to work and then just wanted to make sure I did everything step-by-step right, or as close enough to it as possible without doing any kind of damaging. But it's not too bad. I started about 1 o'clock. It is now around where's my watch? 4:15. Then I got it back in. So it would have been a lot faster if I would have had another set of hands. But like I said, I did it by myself, so it took about 3 hours, 4 hours. It's not too bad, but patience is definitely the key. But let me get the rest of this back together and I'll get back with you.
It's time to be wild and free, but when I'm with you, I see nobody else for me. I just can't help but fall down into your gravity. Tell me if I'm more than just a tease. I wanna know. Scream out my name and I will be there for you. Just give me a chance to show you my it's true, so true. Let me lift you up high, 'cause I think the world of you. I can only hope and feel this too. I wanna know if I could be the one. Would you wanna wake up next to me? I wanna know if I could be the one. Would you wanna wake up next to me? Next to me, next to me, next to me, next to me. Wake up next to me, next to me, next to me, next to me, next to me.
Who needs bags? stop right here at Old Shakes.
Alright, so overall, it's back good. Check engine light is still on, of course, but we'll see how it does in a couple days. As you've seen at the beginning, I have a scanner, so I can just clear it myself. But I'm gonna just see if it clears by itself first. But other than that, key points, like I said, have somebody to help you because it is a pain in the butt. But I apologize if the quality is crappy. I am using my iPhone, but and I also apologize that it wasn't a 100% complete. That I was trying to focus because it's the first time I've ever done it. Hope you guys liked it and enjoyed it. Of course, like, comment, and subscribe, and let's see how it goes from here on out. I'm trying to see how this vlogging thing is gonna go, so help your boy out. Let's get my numbers up. So catch y'all in the next one. Be easy.
I'm in love with being faded. Stand on top of everything I do, yes I believe. I set the bar higher, I be working to achieve. It's not too many people out here doing it like me. My town behind my back, I got these kids chasing